Hey kids, as much as I hate to admit it, summer's over, which means I'm cooking some different things. This is going to be inside tonight. It's going to be a really fun dish. We're going to make a little pasta. It's going to be some of these little funny shaped fusillis, sauteed Italian sausage, mushrooms, chicken with BPS stash, some onions and garlic, tomatoes, mozzarella, Parmesan, quattro formaggio, a little bit of basil here I didn't have fresh, and I have oregano. We're going to pour a little bit of this can of San Marzono's out. Now we're going to do something really crazy. We're going to take some Little Louis, seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Put some Little Louis in there. Do a pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano. Now here comes the fun part. Let's see if I end up with it all over me. The can's open. Immersion blender's happening. Look how cool that is. Okay, so I left some tomatoes here. I'm going to smash them down a little bit. I don't want whole tomatoes in there, but I want some hearty tomatoes. I'm going to put the sauce in. Put the mushrooms in. Onions. It's hearty. Remember, I warned you. Chicken. That's pretty good. Let me stir it up. And we'll put it on the stove and just cook it for maybe 5 minutes. Get a nice blending, get everything tightened up in here. And then we're going to add some ricotta cheese in pockets, a few pockets of pesto, because you got to do that. Look how nice and beautiful that looks. Just give this about 5-6 minutes medium-low heat. We have some pesto. We're going to do little pockets of pesto. So we're going to give it a little more of the basil influence. Okay, here comes the ricotta, which should be really fun. I'm going to put a big lump in the middle. Try and cover it up. Right here. Maybe 2 more. One here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. You saw all the cheese I put on it. You saw everything's ready to go. I mixed the pasta in. Then we hit it with a little more cheese. Mozzarella. Quattro formaggio. And Parmesan. Don't tell your cardiologist. It's between us. See you in just a little bit.